Hi guys, I don't know if people can see me. Okay, welcome to SUPU, the Igbo language cafe. No. Unu cheka na banenya kwa nenya sem na aneje omugwo kokwe. I talked about coming from Omugwo, my sister's place, so we're here now. Unfortunately, we were so excited yesterday, talking that I forgot to bring out the camera. But I brought it out now, and we decided to just do something, just freestyle, talk about Omugwo, what we've done and what we have not done, because I haven't done anything for her. We're him mego. Mana, she's eating, so she didn't hear only in the Ututu oma. So I name Omugwo babes Mana, I told you that by the time I come to see her, she'll be looking excellent. So that's what she be now. She's looking so excellent. Okay, can you think about the name of
Omugwo? Nne nwanyị mụrụ nwa ga-abịa n'edia. Nwanyị ahụ ga-atụnye ụkwụ elu na-emere ihe niile. Okay, tinye ụkwụ elu.
Tinye ụkwụ elu.
Okay, ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ọmansị efere, ọmansị anwụ arụ, ọmansị nri, ọ ga-anọ nnọọ ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ. Nwanne m nwaanyị abịara n'oge, mana kịta anụ ọbịa, o mego nke ọ ya emenwu. Obi jupụtara m na aṅụrị na ọbịa. And then butu ụmụaka o duku wee bịa. Agba arụgo m ya maka na ọ bịara
I just spoke Nsukka,
so that now ka Omugwo bụ. Then na ana Igbo a na-eme Omugwo, nne onye mụrụ nwa ga na-awụ ya arụ.
So the mom, so the mother of the lady who's just had the baby will bathe the child. So sopo.
Ọ bụrụ sọsọ nwa amụ ka ọ ya awụ arụ, ọ ga-anwụkwu ma nwa ya nwaanyị arụ. Ọ daa ya mmiri ọkụ ọfụma.
Eziokwu Chineke God. Ịmana
daa gị mmiri ọkụ.
Were mmiri ọkụ
As in
so we've got this tradition where the mother of the lady who's had the baby will bathe her own daughter, then like hot water. That's what miracle means, hot water. Water, hot, and we'll use it to massage her body, massage her a lot, especially the abdomen, where I think the whole idea is to push it in. What's the normal
exercise now? Tummy exercise.
Okay.
Tummy exercise.
Tummy.
To
be honest,
I believe on a roll.
I mean, I know my tummy is not completely flat, but something else I maybe will rapper. When we try him, I said this will kill me, so I know they do. So something else we do is you get a wrapper or a cloth and tie it around the tummy like really tight.
Like body magic. To be as tight as body.
What I did was I went to Debenhams and bought something like that and wore it. But I think I bought normally I'm a size 10. I went and bought a size 8 to really squeeze me. Yeah. But after about a week, it was not useful anymore. What I do is I just so I mean, if you naturally would talk your tummy, it helps. It helps a lot. So
and apart from the tummy being inflamed, so ndị na-amụ nwaanyị nwa wee sị m na nọ maka na afọ m agbatigo nnukwu, so ọ dịghị enyezi azụ m.
Ogini bụ support n'Igbo, inye aka. Ọ dịghị enyezi azụ gị aka.
Ọ dịghị enyezi azụ m aka. Because I'm going to English. Or that stabilizes the azum. Or they stabilize the azum.
What is guys? Because a few words we need in Igbo. What is support? What is stabilize? And just to let you know that I have eventually, finally, I know I said it before, ordered for my Igbo dictionary. I've ordered for a children's dictionary. I'm going to share it here to let you know what I've been reading, the Igbo dictionary and what book I'm reading. So that's something that I think it will be useful if you guys have it at home. So you can use it to find things out, talk to your kids about words, interesting words you can talk about. So hopefully we'll find something like stabilize, support.
It should be there.
Yes, stabilize and support. Like the same thing.
No, stabilize and support.
Stabilize.
No.
Oh yeah, okay. Better.
Anyway. Okay, so how I say na no maka na afọ ma agbatigo nnukwu. So na amịba afọ n'ime na ọ na-enyere aka.
Okay.
When we baba afọ n'ime azụ wee kwụsị ịfụ m ụfụ. So nke a bụkwa bụfọ ụmụ nwaanyị ndị ọzọ na-amụ nwa. You know, maka anyị apụgo from
anyị
kwesịrị. So kịta na anyị apụgo from SUPU n'ọmụgwọ. So
banye ebe ihe ọzọ.
Ihe advice. Mana ọ dị nke ihe a dị mkpa ka anyị mara.
Tupu anyị agaba n'iru ka m jiri nwayọọ gwunu na nwaanyị a bụ dọkịta. Onye a bụ dọkịta, so ihe ọbụla ọ na-ekwu ọ ma ihe ọ na-ekwu. So she's a doctor, she knows what she's talking about. It's something she has experienced. She's had pregnant patients or children, and she has been pregnant twice. I've had children 3 times, but to be honest with you, I have forgotten a lot of everything. My youngest is 2 now, and when he does not like to be a baby. So for me, I don't forget. So really, this is the right person to get all that advice from, on a doctor's point of view and on a new mommy's point of view. So mine
with a lot of experience.
So mine,
sometimes I'll borrow vaginal prolapse.
I'm just saying, let's do a move. But you know, maybe we'll do another special one where I'll come and both of us just fire and talk to people. Back to Omugo. So, you remember that thing I brought? You know, when you want to get older, man, hold on. Go see your wine. See her, I get she her. Awesome.
Instead of bad God,
so, no, literal contraction.
Oh,
so
literal.
It smells like ofe.
Yeah.
So, anyway, unfortunately, we won't be using it. I don't know what we'll do with it. We might just archive it because I've had this for about 2 years now. If I archive it for her to have her next baby, might make her want to have another baby soon. Yeah, so I archive it. I use it. We're in Beb's kitchen right now. And she is, now everything she explained about Omugo, you cook for her, unfortunately the only thing I've done is wash plates. It's a way bano. And she spaghetti, there's no English Igbo word for it, so we will Igbonize it and call it Achicha. So I found out that bread in Igbo is called achicha. Sandwich, I'm not sure, I'm sandwich or achicha awai. Achicha awai.
It's sandwich.
As in like cake, but achicha dioto or achichoto. I'm telling you, as in. So for now, we're gonna pause this video, and when we find something else that is interesting to talk about, we'll play it and tell you. Okay, I'm back again, and remember she was talking about cooking. You know, when you're doing an omugo, you help the mother to cook. So asem kamu shizie link him. Nyawa, unechete popcorn na wangu shiro no one nya. Nyaka nyawa ne she. So she's popping her corn or popping corn.
I can't hear anything.
It will start. You have to wait for a while. In the meantime, I'll try to make some lunch for us. And she wants pasta, so I'm gonna be cooking pasta. And we have our style. I'm making a macaroni. You can see this. It's macaroni. And what I did now is I boiled the pasta. We boiled the beef or the meat. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, say with the rest of the kids, do not eat while standing. This is a big people thing. Children, do not do this. Sorry, I've had to change cameras. That's my other camera just stopped this space. I plan. What is planning? Aquador serum. Camera mo work kasi. Can you see me? Camera mo work kasi. I'm not kuna yes. What can I do else? Same burgon ni ni we. Sana. Okay guys, so
open the one outside.
So I've come and
Sweetie,
she's actually doing my nails, you know.
Hannah, open the door, please. Open the door. The one that leads to the staircase.
Okay,
No.
Couple. Wait, hold on. My phone's ringing. I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, we're trying to fix this thing. Hopefully, yeah. I should be the one fixing this thing because I'm the one who's doing the omoko. Huh? Okay. It's omogo that is shaking my head. Okay, well, it's nearly home time and this omogo is ending. It's not like we've done anything. I want to be behind me though. Gosh, I love that smell. The smell of baby is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Gorgeous. Okay, here, talk it guys. Yeah. Toby, come on here. Yeah.
No. Never.
So peaceful. So guys, this is the end of the SUPU GOES series. Part again. I'd not stayed as long as I would have loved to, but man, nah.
Had a good time.
I ain't gonna go. Okay, it was a good time.
Everyone will get.
I ain't down with it. So hopefully, by God's grace, we shall meet again. So I love the smell of babies.